Hey guys, my name is Katie and today I'm going to give you an introduction to calculus. Not sure if you guys have worked on calculus before, but most people think it is some lofty math topic that you can't solve. And honestly, it's actually really easy. So today we're going to work on limits. Have you heard of a limit before? I know you can't answer me, but think about it if you have. Basically, a limit is an approximation of a value. So if we were to have this axis here, I know, isn't it beautiful? Gotta label it, so this is x, this is y, we'll have 2 here, 2 here, and we have some line going this way, and then, oh, it's discontinuous there, and then, oh, it keeps going. This would be what we would do with a limit. So let's say that we want the value at, we'll call this 3. Value at x equals 3. We write out the equation as the limit as x approaches 3. Okay? And we'll just call this f of x, At the beginning of limits, what you're going to do is you look at the left and then you look at the right. And we say that if it's approaching from the left, it's approaching from the negative side. So x approaches 3 from the negative is left. Keep that in mind, all right? So we write f of x. Now, coming from the left, the value looks like it's going to be 2. Don't you agree? Now, if we do the same thing coming from the right, x approaches 3 from the positive side, the right side, going this way from the right. Then you would say of f of x, it kind of looks like it's going to equal 2, right? So therefore, since these two are equal, we would say that the limit of f of x as x approaches 3 equals 2. Pretty chill, huh? Alright, from here, let's make a bit more of a difficult one. It's a little crazier. Okay? So once again, we have our spot here, but now we're going to have the right side approach over here, and this is 4. Okay? So now all of a sudden, the limit from the left is still 2. The limit from the right is 4. Now what's that supposed to mean? It means that the limit does not exist. Okay, so if it equals the same from the left that it equals on the right, the limit exists for the whole thing. If the limit from the left does not equal the limit from the right, it does not exist. Pretty chill. Okay, so last thing that I'm going to teach you is the problem that looks like the Mean Girls problem. So, let's see if we can, we'll just make a new axis down here. So here we have all 4 quadrants, okay? And we'll do the equation, f of x equals, 1 over x. Okay, so for those of you who have graphed this equation before, it basically makes a hyperbola. Come here, come on, Mr. Pen thing. Let's work. All right, so the equation will go like this from here, and then like this. You guys agree? I hope so. Okay, so now we're going to try to find the value at, that's an at symbol by the way, at x equals 0. Normally the value doesn't exist because, well, 1 over 0, a cat dies basically if you divide by 0. Very bad. So instead, we're going to take the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over x. Okay? Now let's see if I can move this down a little bit over here. Can we move down? Whoa! No, that's not what I wanted. Whoa! We're going to just stay here then. Never mind. Oh, wait. Guys, just remember I'm good at calculus, not computers. Okay, there we go. Alright. So, the limit of 1 over x as x approaches 0. If we do the limit as x approaches 0 from the left, we're going to find, okay, that goes to negative infinity. Okay, the limit as x approaches 0 from the right, let's see, go this way, go up, 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 and, oh, positive infinity. Therefore, what do we conclude? Alright, you should know this if you saw the movie, but limit does not exist. Okay, so that basically concludes our lesson today for limits. It was very preliminary. You'll learn a lot more if you were to take calculus. So just one reminder, take it from the left, take it from the right, see if it equals. And remember, calculus equals love. Thanks, guys.